Hello students, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn type number 10 related to Laplace transform. So what is basically type 10? Effect of multiplication by t. So what you have to remember, if Laplace of f of t is equal to phi of s. Already we had studied the Laplace of f of t, the function with respect to t is equal to phi of s. Then Laplace of t raised to n f of t can be given by this formula. So what is that formula? Minus 1 raised to n d raised to n upon ds raised to n into phi of s. To understand type number 10, let's consider one example. Okay, I have given 3 different examples. I'll explain you one by one. So let's begin with the example number 1. What is given? Laplace of inside the bracket t into e raised to at. Okay, so by looking at this particular example, you have to identify the given example is based on type number 10. What is that? Effect of multiplication by t. So if you observe carefully, this is t into e raised to at. So after once you have identified this is related to type number 10, you need to identify what is n. In this case, t means what? T raised to 1. The value of n is equal to 1. I hope you have understood this. So how you are going to proceed? How you are going to solve this particular example? Let's consider first example, solution 1. We have to calculate Laplace of e raised to t into e raised to at. So what you need to do? You have to identify f of t from the given example. So what is f of t? F of t is equal to e raised to at. You need to take the Laplace transform of f of t. So what is the Laplace transform of e raised to at? Already we had studied under standard results. So can you just recollect that standard result? The Laplace transform of e raised to at is equal to 1 upon s minus a. But we have to calculate Laplace of t into e raised to at. What we need to do? What we need to calculate? Laplace of t into e raised to at, which is equal to, we have to use this formula. So what is the value of n? N is equal to 1. Here d raised to 1 upon ds raised to 1, that is d by ds. What is phi of s? Phi of s is nothing but Laplace of f of t. So here we have to substitute 1 upon s minus 1, s minus a. I hope you have understood till this step. What would be the next step? We have to take the differentiation with respect to s. So which formula you are going to apply? You can use u by v rule. So what is basically derivatives of u by v? V as it is into derivatives of u minus u as it is into derivatives of v upon v square. Or you can use x raised to n. So what is the derivatives of x raised to n? Which is nothing but equal to n into x raised to n minus 1. So if I consider minus 1 into d by ds s minus a whole raised to minus 1. So as I told you, you need to apply derivatives of x raised to n, which is equal to n into x raised to n minus 1. So after applying derivatives, what you will get? Minus 1 into minus 1 s minus a whole raised to minus 2. So minus minus will get plus. So 1 upon s minus a whole square. So what is the Laplace of first example? That is Laplace of t into a raised to at, which is nothing but equal to s minus a whole square. I hope you have understood the solution for example number 1. What you need to do? You have to identify function t, that is f of t. You have to take the Laplace transform of f of t, and then by effect of multiplication by t, you have to use this formula. So let's consider example number 2. What is given? Laplace of t into e raised to minus 4t into sine 3t. So the first step that you need to apply is you have to identify solution 2. You have to identify f of t from the given example. So as I told you, we need to calculate Laplace of given function. So can I consider f of t is nothing but equal to e raised to minus 4t into sine 3t. So the first procedure is we have to calculate Laplace of f of t. If you remember how you are going to calculate Laplace of e raised to minus 4t into sine 3t, first we have to take the Laplace of this particular function, and then you have to use first shifting theorem. So if I consider Laplace of sine 3t is equal to 3 upon s square plus 9. So by first shifting theorem, what would be the Laplace of e raised to minus 4t into sine 3t? It would be equal to 3 upon s plus 4 square plus 9. So you will be getting 3 upon s square plus 8s plus 25. A plus b whole square is nothing but equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So 4 square is 16 plus 9. You will be getting 3 upon s square plus 8s plus 25. This is Laplace transform of e raised to minus 4t sine 3t. This particular term is by applying first shifting theorem. By first shifting theorem. Already we had studied how to apply first shifting theorem. Now next step is what? As we need to calculate Laplace of t into e raised to minus t sine 3t, which is equal to, as per the effect of multiplication by t, what we need to do? We have to find out the value of n. So here this is t raised to 1, then d by ds, what is phi of s? Laplace of f of t is equal to 3 upon s square plus 8s plus 25. So what we can do? We can take 3 outside the bracket. What is there inside? Derivatives of s square plus 8s plus 25 raised to minus 1. Again you need to apply same formula what we did in case of the example number 1. X raised to derivatives of x raised to n is nothing but equal to n into x raised to n minus 1. So here you will be getting minus 3 into minus 1 s square plus 8s plus 25 raised to minus 2 into derivatives of this function is 2s plus 8. So the final answer is 3 into 2. We can take 2 outside the bracket. What is there inside? S plus 4. And this is minus 3 into minus 1 is 3. From this we can take 2 outside the bracket. What is there inside? S plus 4. This should be in the denominator. It will become s square plus 8s plus 25 whole square. So this is your final answer. So the final answer is 6 inside the bracket s plus 4 upon s square plus 8s plus 25 square. I hope you have understood how to apply effect of multiplication by t. So what is given? If Laplace of f of t will be there, you need to take the Laplace transform of f of t, that is equal to phi of s, and then if t raised to n f of t function is there, simply you have to apply this formula. Now example 3 is what? Laplace of t square sin at. How you are going to solve this particular example? You need to solve example number 3 and please do write answer in comment box. I hope you have understood type number 10 related to Laplace transform. Thank you so much for watching. Please do like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.